All right, so here we go. We're going to show you how to build a Flickr album for WordPress and the website. So this is Flickr. You got to log in. I'll give you the credentials later, Chris. So as we log in here, that's the one. Here, next. In. Yes, yes. Shut these down. All right, so here's our Flickr account. We're going to go here. Explore, people, create. So we're going to create, make a book, upgrade your product. Now we're going to do that. Let's go back to here. Albums. All right, so before we create an album, we have to add images to the photo stream. So if I go photo stream here, this is all the images that we have. So I want to be able to upload. I'm going to go over here to this icon. Click as such. Choose photos and videos to upload. So I'm going to click this here. And let's say I want to put these screenshots in. So I would select these screenshots. And go open. So it just said that I uploaded 6 photos. Then over here I can add to an album. Add to album. Create a new album. Test album. Create album. Add these photos to album. Since we created, I'm going to add it to this album. And you can see it's a green check mark. And click done. And upload 6 photos. Upload. So first it's adding the images to the actual photo section, and then it's adding it to the albums. So this is our albums. When I go albums now here, test album. This is the album. So now I'm going to look at this number. This is the number that I want. I'm going to copy this number. Go to the website, welcome to St. Anthony's, and go to, where is this here? Slide Revolution. Go to dashboard. And we're going to go to Flickr album gallery. All right, now if you take a look at all the album galleries, you know this is here. These are already the ones that we've used in the past. So let's look at the Hall of Fame. That's the ID, the Flickr album ID. You don't have to worry about the API information here, just have to worry about the ID. So we go back to all album galleries. Add new gallery. Like this. Test album. API key is already here. I'm going to take this and go, boom. That's how we add. Go publish. All right, then you have to copy this unfortunate acronym here, FAG ID. This is your ID, your Flickr album gallery ID. And so you need that code. So you copy this here. And let's say I wanted to put this into a page. I will go new. Let's put this into a page. Let's go test album page. Go backend editor. This hopefully you know how to do. Let's go add text block. Go here. Click the arrow, text block settings, straight up text, don't put in visual, it has to be straight up text for code. There's our gallery code. Save Sanjay's here. Publish. View page. And that's how we do that. There's our album. Okay? Let me know if you have any other questions.